be Delim and you can call me Rain or Camille. I am 16 years old, my birthday is on October 23, 2006 and my birth sign is Scorpio. I live in Barangay Sampalucan, Bongabon, Nueva Ecija. I recently graduated junior high school under STE curriculum in Bongabon National High School. My pronouns are she, her, and my MBTI is INFP. Welcome to my self-introduction video. First, I would like to introduce Delim family. I am the only daughter of Rachel Delim and Casper David Delim. I have three brothers which are Ice Delim, Icy Delim, and Ice Delim. We have a family cat named Maggie, also called Cham Cham, an American British Shorthair. Moving on to my favorites. My favorite foods are spicy and salty foods, and I am a more savory person. My favorite colors are pastel colors because they are light to the eyes. My favorite genre of music are K-pop and K-R&B, and here are some of my favorites. My favorite dramas are mostly romance dramas, and here are some of my favorite series and movies. My favorite place is Baguio City because it's such a comforting place to me. And for the most memorable place is Hong Kong Disneyland, where I spent my 7th birthday. And presenting my loves, the things I love to do. Dancing is one of my hobbies, and I did ballet, majorette, and school dance. I love fashion and makeup because I like dressing myself up and looking pretty. I love drinking coffee and I cannot go on a day without my daily dose of coffee. I aspire to be a good doctor someday and the branch I chose is pediatrician. People who are important to me are my friends. I love supporting my friends in everything they do as long as they're happy. I personally love documenting my life and uploading the pictures and videos on my Instagram account. Lastly, I love myself. I love everything I do and no one's stopping me from loving myself, so why shouldn't I? This is the end of my self-introduction presentation. Thanks for watching!